In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Remote Play on Xbox Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the latest version of the Xbox app, you can use Remote Play. As long as your console is turned on, you will be able to control its screen and play games directly on your phone. So, to start, download the latest version of the Xbox app on your Android or iOS device. And on the actual console, you must make sure that remote play options have been enabled. So go to the settings of your Xbox console, go to devices and connections, and then go into remote features. Inside of this menu, you can enable remote features. You can also enable Play to streaming to ensure that this entire process works. So once remote features have been enabled, you can now head over into the Xbox app, like I mentioned, and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you are signed into your Xbox account, on the app, tap on this icon here. The app should guide you on how to add a console. When you tap that button, it will prompt you to add a new console and then you just follow the instructions. Assuming that you already have the console added, then it is going to appear here on this list. And all that you have to do now is choose the option Remote Play on this device. If you have multiple consoles, then just choose a specific one from that list. With this done, you will load in and immediately have access to the touch controls. If you prefer, you can connect a controller to your phone, usually done through Bluetooth, and as soon as the controller is connected, you can use that instead. Very simple to do, and it is going to work on any phone, either Android or iOS. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.